Yeah, investors and home buyers. So when we are talking about Delhi NCR real estate, everybody is talking about Gurgaon. So why people are moving towards Gurgaon only? So first, which comes in my mind is connectivity and infrastructure. So connectivity from Gurgaon to Delhi, connectivity towards airport, connectivity to Mumbai Expressway. For example, if you are staying at Dwarka Expressway, so your travel time to airport is 35 minutes. If you are moving towards Delhi, you will reach within 30 minutes time. If you have to go to Jaipur through Mumbai Expressway, you will be reaching within 30-35 minutes time to Mumbai Expressway. If you want to travel within Gurgaon, so you will reach IFCO Chowk and Signature Towers in 30-32 minutes, 35 minutes. So connectivity is very important. Second thing, when I talk about infrastructure, so infrastructure of Gurgaon is improving day by day. When I'm talking about rapid metro connectivity, Aravali Hills has been approved as world's largest jungle safari. Gurgaon is coming up with Disneyland. 500-acre land has been identified. आपकी मेट्रो लाइन फ्रॉम पालम विहार टू बिलासपुर हैज बीन अप्रूव्ड. उसकी वजह से आपका सेक्टर 37D, सेक्टर 90, 95 मल्टी यूटिलिटी कॉरिडोर, दीज areas are getting connected through metro line Manesar to Bilaspur. So connectivity and infrastructure is improving day by day. When I talk about infrastructure, heliport is coming in Gurgaon. What is heliport? Heliport is connectivity from Gurgaon to Noida, Gurgaon to Delhi through air taxis. So when I'm talking about infrastructure development, at Dwarka Expressway, Global City is coming up. Global City is Dubai-based global village, which is coming at Dwarka Expressway, which will improve the infrastructure and pricing of real estate. SPR रोड की वाइडनिंग हो रही है, सेक्टर 80 रोड की वाइडनिंग हो रही है. So that will improve the infrastructure. Just because of these improvements, property rates in Gurgaon are growing day by day with a very faster pace.